as you can imagine, it takes a lot of work behind the scenes to prepare more than 100 school and division facilities to open for day one of school. Tonight's presentation is by John Windley, Director of Facility Services, who will share a small sampling of the many construction and upgrade projects that took place over this past summer. Mr. Windley.
Thank you, Dr. Waltz. So, good evening, Chairman Lateef, members of the board, Dr. Waltz. I really appreciate the time this evening to highlight some of the fantastic accomplishments that Facility Services has completed over the past summer. So, as you're aware, our construction department, we build schools, renovate schools, add additions onto facilities. So, quite a bit of that went on. What you might not be aware is the facilities management group that does a lot of behind-the-scenes work that might not get noticed as often. So, wanted to try to highlight some of the things that they did this year. We did the artificial turf fields at Stonewall and Woodbridge High School. Some of our staff, facilities management group staff, helped in those projects. We had new roofs being installed at Potomac and Belmont elementary schools. Chiller replacements at Mary Williams and Cedar Point elementary schools. Rooftop units, a lot of rooftop units at Fred Lynn Middle and several other schools, but the most major was Fred Lynn. That was quite a project. And new entry doors at Stonewall and OP, Stonewall High School and Osborne Park. Quite an improvement to the schools. Front entries, Miniville Elementary School had the addition built. So we were all over the county this summer. Just wanted to take a moment to really thank them and highlight their achievements. Thank you.
Thank you.